Hi, my name's Brianne, and I'm here to introduce you to the Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike. Now, as a trainer, I want to let you know this is an excellent tool for shedding fat, burning calories, and increasing your cardiovascular health, all within the comfort of your own home. It is easy to store and super comfortable. All right, let's hop on and get started. First, you want to make sure that you are able to adjust those foot straps to your foot size, which is not only going to ensure comfort, but a safe ride. Starting from the ground up, you're going to be in a nice neutral position. This wide seat allows you to sit comfortably, and what I love about this bike is that you are actually in a very comfortable upright position right off the bat. You're going to grab onto the handlebars, relax your shoulders away from the ears, and keep those abs super tight. Now remember, this bike is designed for all sizes. Next, let's take a look at the monitor. Now in front of you, you have a large, easy to read, performance LCD monitor. As a trainer, there's a lot of measurables that I like to track with my workouts and my clients' workouts. In front of you, you have the ability to see your heart rate, your speed, your calorie burn, and your total time, and your distance. That allows you to not only track your workouts, but progress your workouts and hit your goals. One of my favorite features is the 8-level magnetic tension control system. This is gonna allow you to challenge yourself and never get bored. But remember, as you get fitter, you gotta crank up that tension to keep challenging your body. Now, as you can see, this is an absolutely incredible bike. It folds up to half its size. It's super easy to store. What are you waiting for?